how to easily claim Core in MetaMask wallet. So if you want to easily claim Core in MetaMask wallet, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your MetaMask application. Make sure that you've logged into your wallet. Now, once you've logged in, what you need to do is just simply go with the networks section, go with the drop down, and select the network, which is Core Do. Once you've selected the network, it will show you right here in the middle of your screen. In my case, I don't have Core Do, but if you have, go and select it. Once you've selected, you need to go with the browse, which will be on the bottom. From the browse, you'll have a search icon. Tap on the search icon, and from the search, you need to search for coredo.org. And you need to search for this, and it will take you to the website. Now, once you have Core, then on the top left of coredo.org, you'll have 3 horizontal lines, which will be on the top left. So you need to go with the 3 horizontal lines. Once you go with the 3 horizontal lines, you'll find an option of airdrop. Tap on airdrop, and from there, you have to select your country and then tap on confirm. After that, go with connect wallet, select your wallet, and tap on continue. After that, on the bottom right, you will have a claim option. You need to tap on claim, and you'll be able to claim Core in MetaMask wallet. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.